My city just blew up a hotel, and I've been trying to make a video about it, but I have been struggling. I gave it this corny intro. Cities have their thing. Boston Marathon, Mardi Gras. In Vegas, we have our own, only it's not what you think. It's not sports, not concerts. Instead, we blow up hotels. Then I put a scene of the bus I took to get there.
The Tropicana, one of the oldest standing hotels on the Strip, has closed its doors for good.
Today, the Tropicana told its employees it plans to close while development begins on a potential new baseball stadium for the Oakland Athletics. If you wanted to see the blast in person on the Strip, you won't be able to. Bally's Entertainment revealed that because of safety reasons, there will be no viewing area for the implosion on October 9th at 2:30 a.m. The Fox 5 will cover the implosion live for you to watch as part of the event. And there will be a drone and fireworks show. It's all set to send off the hotel before both its 23-story towers come crashing down.
Now what? Am I supposed to talk about what I think? I don't know what to think. Building go down, people go yay. That's it. That's literally it. Video over. I got it. I got there around 12:30. And well, I only learned that there wasn't going to be a public viewing after the fact. So when they kicked me out when I had this view in front of the Excalibur, I was pissed. They kicked us out, bro. They sent everyone who thought they were going to watch to the Luxor sidewalk. And the view? Ass. So I left.
Basketball?
Billy. Ai, kai. ვერ გაჭერდები იქ, ბოკო. რა გამოაკეთ? ერთი კაცი რომ მიდის მე
I have to find this spot. I had this orange safety vest on. And the plan was I was going to get closer and blend in with all the other people with a safety vest. It was working. I was in this corner with a better view of both towers. Cops passed by, security passed by. I thought I was in the clear, but then they started moving the perimeter again. Everyone around me, they kicked out, except me. I was the only civilian on that sidewalk, surrounded by cops and security guards. But then they started moving back too, and only then I knew I was screwed. And so started the humiliating walk back to where everyone else was.
Where you at?
Hey, I could also buy one of those, so how'd you get?
It worked out well.
I know.
It could have been worse. I still had a view of both towers. All I had to do was wait. For a while. 2:15, nothing. 2:20, nothing. 2:30, the time it was scheduled to blow, nothing. Things were getting rowdy until...
Oh,